Hello, everyone, and welcome to Technical Masterminds with me, Aditya Agarwal of Yes Securities. In this short snippet, as always, we'll be discussing about the market outlook for the coming trading session. As you would have seen, bear domination on D Street continued for second week in a row as Indian benchmark indices underperformed its peers in the week gone by. Further, the Nifty 50 index ended the week lower by about 2.5%, well below the psychological mark of 18,000, and the 20 DMA, which was just a tad below 18,000 and was acting as a stop loss line in the ongoing uptrend. Having said that, we have seen 2 weeks of relentless selling pressure, and after this 2 weeks of relentless selling pressure, Nifty is now sitting at slightly oversold levels on shorter-term time frame charts and approaching the crucial support line of 17,600 to about 17,550, which also happens to be the 50 DMA. Further, positive divergence on shorter term time frame charts between RSI and price suggest that the selling pressure is overdone now, and a short covering rally could be seen just ahead of the Diwali Muhurat trading session. So the coming week is very crucial for the bulls, and if they manage to keep the markets above 17,600 to about 550 odd levels, a short covering rally to levels of 17,950 to about 18,000 odd levels can be seen. Again, the 20 DMA, which was earlier acting as a support, will now act as a resistance on the upside. So 18,000 to about 18,050, where the 20 DMA is now placed, might act as a resistance on the upside, and will be difficult for the bulls to breach immediately. The overall structure of the market has turned corrective from the earlier uptrending, and from a buy on dip, it has become a sell on rise. So traders should be cautious in the weeks coming by, and do watch out for 17,600 about 550, which is the pivot point. Sustained trade above this level can see a short covering rally in the coming week, just ahead of the Diwali Muhurat trading. Talking of the Bank Nifty, that too ended well below the 40,000 mark after hitting a fresh all-time high in the week gone by. Further formation of a large bearish engulfing pattern on the weekly chart suggests that the uptrend has halted in the Bank Nifty as well, at least for the temporarily. And on the downside, immediate supports is at 37,700, which happened to be the previous peak of the Bank Nifty. So in the event of any profit booking, 37,700 is a key level to watch out for. A sustained trade above this level will again trigger a short covering rally in the Bank Nifty. And on the upside, beyond 40,000, the up move can extend to levels of 41,200, about 42,000 levels as well. Amongst the sectors to watch out for in the event of a short covering rally that can participate on the upside, autos and pharmas, they are sitting at good support levels, and given the fact that these sectors have underperformed, it could be time to look at these sectors in the coming week, as markets might just stage a short covering rally. So these will be two sectors to bet on positively. So do watch out for that. Thank you very much for tuning in.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.